catch me please, 'cause I'm so hooked on you.